Okay, so in this video I'm taking a look at some RGB LED floodlights for indoor-outdoor usage. See them right here. So check out a couple of images to give you a little more details, and then we'll take a look at the actual light and talk a little bit more about them. Alright, so we're taking a look at these LED floodlights, and they are a 2-pack, which you can actually group together and control simultaneously. You can have color adjustment through the app. It's Bluetooth. It connects within seconds. It's very quick, very simple, and very intuitive as far as the app goes. They're LED, so they should last a really long time. So shouldn't be a problem. They're waterproof, so again, indoor-outdoor use. I kind of like the idea of indoor use. Myself. I think that's what I might use them for. I don't really have a place outside that I'd want to use them as of right now. But by any means, you can see the lights here. It's got metal construction, which is nice. It's going to dissipate heat. It's also going to be more durable. And you have I don't know how well it shows up for you, but there's a bar that comes across right here, and it has a hole. Also some slots. That's going to allow you to mount this, however you decide you want to mount it. And then on the front, it's glass, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to use the mounting pieces as a stand, and I'm going to turn this one like that. I'm going to leave this one just facing upward so it's not too intense as far as the brightness goes. And we've got our Shine Light app open. Basically, once you get it installed, open it up, you give it permissions as you see fit, and then you hit the plus sign. As long as there's power going to the lights, they should be detected. You just tap each one to get a little check mark, tell it to connect, and all of that can happen probably in 10 or 15 seconds at the most. And then you're set up with that right there. So I can turn these on, and right now they're independent, but you can see that I can turn those on very easily and off. Now if I touch one, so I'm going to focus on one now. If I focus on only that one, you can see that I have a wheel, sliders, things of that nature. So there's countdowns, timers, power, brightness, and color adjustments, all these different things. You also have, of course, the white light, which you can do warm light or cool light. So let's go maximum intensity, and we'll go with a warm and a cool, so you can see the difference. There's also a lot of range in between depending on where you want it to be, and you can see that it's very responsive, very quick, and I can dim it all the way down to a low level or get it brighter again. I could do a countdown if I wanted to have it shut off at a certain time, or I could do a timer and allow it to turn on at specific times if desired. Now if I switch to colorful, you have sliders, a wheel, again, countdown, timing, all of the same things, only you have an array of different colors available, and you can adjust different things with the sliders. If you just want some of the primary pre-programmed colors, you can just tap on those and get some predefined colors across the bottom here, or just spin the wheel and change. You also have scenes. Scenes are basically just some pre-programmed options, like for reading, for work, casual. So each one of those are going to make a pre-programmed, someone's decided is a good option, and you can play with those. Again, countdown and timer options are available in this as well. And you can also have static, jump, and breathe. So you can have different effects depending upon what you're actually looking for. And then what might be my favorite is music. With music, you can see it's sound reactive. So if you have music or a movie or whatever sound is playing, it's going to be activated and it's going to respond accordingly. And of course, that can be adjusted different ways, different colors. You also have some predefined options, 7-color flash, 7-color fade, 3-color flash, just a few of the different options available, just to give you an idea. So you can play around with it like that. Other than that, you have some options to connect successfully, turn on light automatically, disconnect, turn off lights automatically, and disconnect. So you can choose those options. So yeah, just several options are available. And other than that, there's really not a whole lot else to say about the actual unit. Both of them work exactly the same. And I believe there is an option to group these together outlined in the included user manual. And you also have a little warranty card in case you need it. So anyway, that's pretty much it. It's super easy to operate, super easy to get connected. They're very bright, very small, which is nice because you can place them just about anywhere really easily. And other than that, whether you want to use them indoors or outdoors, they should last a really long time, being LEDs, which are non-replaceable, obviously, being metal construction, being waterproof. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Just a quick rundown of the app and the actual units. Other than that, if you want to find out more, you can check out the link below and check out the images preceding the video. Okay? Thanks for watching.